Pula Vanaka. Kia ora tātou, ngā mihi nui ki koutou katoa. This is my first time in Fiji, and I've never experienced a welcome so warm. And I want to thank you all for allowing me to come today to your village. I acknowledge you all and your elders and leaders, because this is a true honour for me. And your hospitality and warmth is greatly appreciated, and thank you. The last 2 days we have spent, the Honourable Minister and I have spent focusing on the long-standing friendship between Fiji and New Zealand. Although he never mentioned that Fiji helped Sir Edmund Hillary climb Everest. That is pretty special. But the long-standing friendship must endure and must grow, because climate change is challenging our way of life here and in New Zealand. And I was keen to come and see somewhere that was being impacted in front of our eyes, and I'm very grateful for that opportunity. I look forward to being able to see it firsthand, and I look forward to being able to hear more about it. When Cyclone Gabrielle hit New Zealand, we are now, for many of us, experiencing what you have been experiencing for a long time. And I think for many of us it was a wake-up call. And so the Honourable Minister and I oversaw the signing of a memorandum of cooperation between Fiji and New Zealand to work closer together on resilience, preparation or for disaster management. But part of resilience is assisting those communities that need help now, as well as those that, if they can prepare, can adapt moving forward. Part of the announcement today was also recognising the Fiji personnel from Defence, disaster management and the fire service who came to New Zealand to assist us after Cyclone Gabrielle. That was hugely significant for us, and we were very grateful, and so I was able to award them a commemorative coin to thank them for their efforts. It meant so much. But also additional funding to assist with warehousing and personnel, in addition to recent funding that's been announced that is in the hands of the government to consider the best use of. So I'm keen to learn more. I've heard your message, and in your view, what needs to be done here. That isn't a decision that I have the permission to make, but it is one that I can continue the conversations, particularly with the High Commission here, in terms of building our understanding of what the need is here. So I just want to thank you very much for your hospitality. I will be back, but I won't be asking for permission to climb the mountain. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Excellency, the Honourable Minister McAnulty, for speaking on our behalf. And I believe I'll now speak in Fijian, just to also speak to our members here in the local dialect. Saya juga kena untuk ndeli ni puno turang. Toman tanah pembinakan liusar na ugi kira na biokan kira yang saya cuma na kami go na bikin tepaki turangan na bi war kotak yang kena ibatangan dengan dia dersar tentu kiliten kin ngoli cuma na turangan minista memi kabar tanah ciko nona binakatakan memi evaluasi mena pon bina kawan nonta matintu ena bibu kera ko tener nonta torbo kena ngone leo na kena libu ke na bono Island na ngona terai Island dikina na tangilang mo Gabriel yo sembarangan ni wambut ni sa tukuna binasarkan tura minister na bika kede indon mi tukuni ana ada cikina indon baka na kawe wan binakina itu tuba ure dan indo satu belas saja kuna nunggu kon tura ndora kango untuk melihat cikina nabi wonu ngolikina. I'm always challenging the people in the rural areas, in the villages, in the communities to come up with their development plans, village development plans and their disaster management plans. Those two major documents are the ones that I challenge them to do. Some of them are continuing to do that, and I'm asking our commissioners to come up with the templates and make them available on the social media platforms as well as our online presence where we are, to make it very easily available. And also all the other things that we offer like rural housing and all that kind of thing. So, ya sampai kan kita usah takap sih kita sangat cuma kita wembole cukup menandui sangai kan menandui betikan. Kita nawal yang nindo sa kita kasar cungan dan untuk tu lomba di puno baturang. Kita nakin wali untuk saya ibarat kita nak biki mami tudok na puno ibij bikin nasar sarmai. Dia itu ada cuma ngona roni na ngande mai sobir na nonto bi korkor kena kerena nomdo bi bukan ni merlang mai mer meuli. Ya nabi kara untuk saga kita sajuk nungguan turang. Yang bangan nak kau bebaret takut nak nunggu pon nakaliu. Ni re dan nabi kanto satu butuh karo cukin. Karo ni kimi meuli talagi nak kimam. So na bunua sarat kabutal cunga satu sunak sarjuk. Yo na bunua ya re cukin matintu. Mesandang waka nama takin oken takin na bunua ibiti. It's something that we are asking all the rural dwellers to do is to help themselves, to stand up, to rise, and to organize themselves in self-development. And then it will allow donor agencies and those who want to help to assist them moving forward instead of helping them from scratch. I think that's not the way that we want them to do. So I was just also sharing with them how I'm very thankful that they've started the development process, and it's something that other villages can also follow suit with. Sa musikero sa katalaman pinakaliw na pwedeng ko bisa ka nakabili sa acho na nitututu sa acho na turang ako misna central wate kay na orto na nondoto i walisilesi nondoto no ni biwa na nondoto ministry chiku na katon ro ni tutu bakakin na meto na sanga meto na walia so na lianga chiku pakasa tunju na turang minister ministlandi na turo to kono ngono na kena sange metu way naka meron ningen ron rumay nakay binakati mi wan ron rumay una ya sa to mantangay ka anak nang kesto na maten dito lakmen ko yo sige maten ko buto kumain no ko sangitor ni tutua minista wag na waliw o tusaki kito ata ka batamen prime minister's office na rondolu karua me tapa na rondolu kaono wono me torikin matintu wag na waliw ni usangi mi buto korano kor andi na ganito nga ng bachin sala yung sabab na walip sa rin na kami ni kuha tumani chico saka was chico na pupikiraw no pikito tudoko and wala na nakaliw na nito meeting ko sa chico sa basa chico